Okay. Are you people able to look at the blackboard?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it
Yes,
clear?
ma'am.
Is it
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
also? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So tenses. I had sent one video related to tenses. Though it was my old video, but I had sent. Have you people gone through the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Sure. So how many types of tenses are there?
Three types of tenses.
Three
types of
Okay, good. Can you name them?
Present, past, future.
Future tense.
Okay,
Present tense, past tense, and future tense.
very nice. Very
Present
nice.
tense, past tense, future tense.
Present tense, past tense, and future tense. So, how many parts are there of present tense?
Ma'am, five.
Four.
So, will you name them?
Simple present, present continuous, present perfect progressive tense.
So, first one you people told simple present. Can anyone give any example of simple present?
I am a boy. I am a boy.
I am a boy, I am a girl is also present, simple present. And
He goes
if I write,
He is an intelligent boy.
he writes a story. What is this?
वह हमेशा present continuous.
Which tense? It is written in which tense?
Simple present.
Simple present.
Good.
Simple.
So what
Simple
will be present continuous?
She writing a
He is writing.
Writing a
Action
story.
is going on when we are speaking.
He is writing a story.
Action that is going on when we speaking.
So we have taken one sentence. She writes a story. So now we will do present continuous. Present continuous. She is writing a story. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, present perfect. What will be in present perfect?
He was.
He has been read.
Present
He
perfect.
has been writing.
Has written.
I go to the library every weekend.
Background noise is coming. She has written a story. Okay. Blackboard is visual to everyone. Green board.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now
Yes, ma'am.
Now we will do present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous.
She has been writing a story.
She has
Has
been
been
Right.
writing a
writing the
writing a story for 5 days. Okay. When we write present perfect means perfect continuous tense. It may be simple present. It may be simple present. It may be it may be present perfect continuous. It may be past perfect continuous, and it may be future perfect continuous. But when we write perfect continuous, we write either point of time or period of time. Okay. So do you know the basic difference between point of time and period of time? Or should I start explaining?
Ma'am, please start explaining.
Okay. Period of time for point of time since. Understood? Now, what is the difference between period of time and point of time? Period of time means 1 hour, 2 hour, 1 day, 2 day, 1 year, 2 year, 1 week, 2 week. These are known as period of time. When you don't know a starting point. Understood? As we have written the sentence, she has been writing a story for 5 days. Let me check if anyone is in waiting room. 4 people are there. Since you are in waiting room. Background noise is there. I don't want, when we are doing interactive session, I don't want to mute you people permanently. But make sure that the background noise is not there. What were we doing? So clear. Here, suppose that today is Monday. Today is 3rd. Today is 3rd May, and I have told that she has been writing a story for 5 days. What does it mean? So means 5 days. So 3rd is there, means 3 days in this month, and 30th April, 29th April. It shows that she has been writing a story since 28 April 2021. Isn't it? Here we are knowing point of time. When the work is started, this work is started on 28th April, and if I will say this on 3rd May, it will be 5 days. If I will say it on 4th May, it will be 6 days. If I will be telling it on 5th May, it will be 7th day. Understood the difference? Point of time and period of time.
Ma'am, please explain once again.
मैम आपकी आवाज बहुत कट के आ रही है।
आवाज मेरी कट कट के आ रही और जस्ट
मैम आवाज ठीक से आ रही है।
मैम एक बार दोबारा समझा।
हाँ हाँ समझा रही हूँ, जस्ट अ मिनट। इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन इज देयर, लैपटॉप बैटरी इज रनिंग लो। Let me admit rest of the people also. Point of time and period of time. You people want to be explained once again. So there is no problem. That period of time means for, point of time means since. Till here, no problem.
No ma'am.
यहाँ
No,
तक
ma'am.
किसी को प्रॉब्लम नहीं है?
No ma'am.
चलो for doesn't tell starting point. हाँ 9:40 के बाद बात कर लीजिए क्लास में। Okay, for doesn't tell starting point. She has been, I am starting with the same sentence. She has been writing a story for 5 days. Clear? Here, you don't know when the work is started. If I am telling it on Monday, sorry, on 3rd May, means 5 days back will be 28th April. But when I say this, the same line on 5th May, starting day will be 1st May. Understood? ये
Yes, ma'am.
डिफरेंस समझ में आई?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर 3rd मई को हम बात कर रहे हैं तो आज 3rd मई को बात कर रहे हैं, मीन्स starting day was 28th April. So sorry, 29th April. 29th April, 29th, 30th, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 5 days. But if I will tell the same sentence on 5th May, what will be the starting day? Starting day will be, what will be starting day?
28th April.
Starting day will be 1st May. If I say this sentence on 5th May, our miss this 5 will be 1st May. ये क्लियर हो रही है बात?
Yes ma'am.
और समझ
Yes,
में आ
ma'am.
गया? For
Yes,
starting point, for doesn't give a starting point. Okay. When the work is started, it doesn't give. If you will say, suppose that I have, she has been writing this story for 5 days. Okay. It will be changed. If I say it on 5th May, it will be starting point will be 1st May. If I say it on 7th May, starting point will be 2nd
2 May.
May 2. So in this way it is changed. So concept of the same way, 5 days, week. Suppose that whitewashing has been taking place since for 2 weeks. If we say that whitewashing has been taking place for 2 weeks, What will be there? We don't know the starting point. Do we know the starting point? So in the same way, day,
No.
let me write. Only one is there. Okay. So day, let me write. Day, week, month, year. Means suppose that 2 days, 2 days, 2 weeks, 2 months, 2 years. What will we write over here? For. We will write?
For.
We will write for. But if we say since Monday, since Tuesday, in this way, since Monday, since Tuesday, since January,
Since first of May.
Since 1st of May, since 2nd of May, since 2001, since 2020, Corona has been disturbing education system since 2020, since March 2020. Can we say?
Corona has been.
Yes,
Since
ma'am.
1989.
I have just given one example that Corona has been disturbing education system since March 20. पिछले साल से ही एजुकेशन सिस्टम गड़बड़ हो गया ना कोरोना के कारण.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, तो यहाँ
Yes, ma'am.
पे since March 2020, we are telling point of time. If we say that Corona has been disturbing education system for 1 year. This is period of time.
मॉर्निंग के साथ ही फॉल्ट लगाएंगे ना.
Ma'am, invisible again.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Difference
Yes.
between point of time and period of time. Have you people?
मैम मॉर्निंग के साथ ही फॉर का यूज करेंगे ना.
हाँ, since morning, since afternoon, since evening. Clear?
यस मैम.
2 o'clock.
हाँ, 2 o'clock भी तो point of time है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ये कौन? Everyone? Concept of for and since is clear? Or any
Yes,
doubt
ma'am.
is still there?
No, ma'am.
Also, we have completed a present tense. Should we switch over to past tense?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What will be? We were doing with simple. Sorry. With one simple sentence, and the sentence was she writes a story. So what will be simple past of this line? What happened? Mute yourself. So simple past.
She written a story.
No, she wrote a story. She
She wrote. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
wrote a story.
He wrote a story.
हाँ, she wrote a story. Simple past.
You wrote a story.
हाँ, you wrote a story
He
also.
ate chapata. He ate chapati.
हाँ, he ate chapatis. These are example of simple past. May I switch over to past continuous?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what will be our sentence with past continuous?
She was writing a story.
हाँ,
He
she
was writing a story.
was writing a
He was eating a chapati.
she was eating chapatis. Very good. So what will be past perfect?
He was playing a football.
She had wrote a story.
She has written. She had
written a story.
past perfect.
He had flown a kite.
She had
He had eaten a chapati.
she has eaten a chapati.
He had flown a
He
kite. Played football.
He had played football. And this now what will be past perfect continuous?
She has been writing a story for 2 hours.
She had
been
writing
writing
a
a
story
for
since
5
morning.
days. She had been writing a story for 5 days.
She has been
He had been eating a story for 5 days.
she has been writing
A story for 5 days.
story
For
for
Since 2 o'clock.
for
5 days.
for 5 days since
I have playing football since morning. They had been playing
For
football
5 days or since
they had
29th
been playing
April.
football since morning.
been eating chapati.
Yes.
She had been writing a story.
Concept clear till here?
We are studying it. He had
मैम
been
for 5 days के अलावा हम लोग since 29th अप्रैल भी तो लिख सकते हैं ना.
2 o'clock.
डेज में लिख सकते हैं इसको 7 days तुम्हारी मर्जी. You people can write it 7 days also. You people can write it 21 days also.
1 month, 1 year.
20 days also. It is up to you. That I had taken one sentence so that your concept is remains clear.
मैम
हाँ.
मैम for 5 days के अलावा हम लोग since 29th अप्रैल भी लिख सकते हैं ना.
से हाँ वही तो इसीलिए तो मैंने ऑब्लिक कर दिया. That's why I have given oblique. For 21 days.
He had been
20
seen.
days और since अब यहाँ पे तो अब since 29th अप्रैल है तो वो 20 days back forward से.
We had been preparing for the examination for 2 years.
हाँ for 2 years. और since we have been preparing for this examination since January
2019.
हाँ yes.
I had been working since 2005.
Yes, very good. May I interrupt this?
We are playing since
We had been preparing for exam since March.
He had been running since morning.
Now we will start future. Okay? Future tense. Future tense.
I will play
I
football.
shall go.
I
I shall go.
I will play.
I shall.
I will play.
I shall.
I will play football.
I will.
You will go to school.
Go.
I will
I will
play.
go.
I will play.
Football.
You will go to school.
Um,
You to go. You will go to school.
I will read a book.
It's school. We have done with.
The children will sing the song.
I am going to Kashmir.
I am going to Kashmir. This is wrong sentence.
I will go to
I am
Kashmir.
going to Kashmir means present continuous.
I will go to Kashmir.
I will go to Kashmir.
I will do this work.
I shall go to Kashmir.
Huh.
I will do this work.
Huh, shall has limitations. You cannot use shall everywhere, but you can use will anywhere. Okay. So this is the
Okay, ma'am.
basic difference between shall and will. So, simple
He will
things
come tomorrow.
She will come tomorrow. So concept of future,
Ma'am, he will.
he will, yes. Concept of simple future is clear. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now
Future continuous.
future continuous.
Continuous.
Yes.
I will be
I
playing
shall be
football.
reading. I shall be reading.
I will
Be
be
playing football. I will be playing
playing
football.
He will be singing a song.
football. Yes, very good.
He will be going to school.
He will be singing a song.
Be
I
a
shall be
randomly.
sitting.
song. He will be whose sentence?
Sitting. He will be sitting.
He will be sitting in the
He will be sitting.
sitting.
Yes. He will
At that
be,
time, I shall not be working.
I shall not be working. Very nice sentence.
He
I shall not be
Not be working.
working.
Working. The boys will not be making a noise in the class.
The boy.
I will not be.
The students
Boys
will be dancing.
the boys will be dancing. Okay. So the boys.
The students will be dancing in the show. They
So
shall
future
be
continuous.
reading a book.
Concept of
Margi
future
will be typing
continuous.
official letters.
Concept of future continuous clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will do future perfect. Who will say one
He will have gone. He will have gone.
future
I will have played football.
He will have gone.
future perfect?
I will have played football.
Sorry. He
I will have gone.
I
Will have gone.
will have
Have gone.
I will
I shall not have gone.
I will
have learned the lesson.
okay what will be
You have learned the lesson.
now
They will have walked.
actually now I think we have only a few minutes na? So better we should discuss future perfect continuous also. So till future perfect concept is clear.
I shall have been.
Yes, ma'am.
I shall have been going.
Very good.
I shall have been
I
going.
shall have been eating.
Future
I shall have been eating.
perfect.
I shall have
I
been
shall
going.
have
I
been
shall have been
dancing.
eating.
I
shall have been eating.
have been dancing.
I shall
I shall have been going for 2
Have
days.
been dancing.
dancing.
Traveling for 2 days.
Dancing.
You will have been doing this work for 10 days.
We will have to stop.
You will have been done this work in for 10 days.
I shall have been traveling for 2 days.
Very
I
good.
shall have
Very nice.
I shall have been running from morning.
29 April.
Very nice. Very nice.
He will not have been working from 2025.
Yes. Yes.
I shall have
Very nice.
reading since
I shall
29
not have
April.
been teaching him for 4 days.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Now
मैम इंट्रोगेटिव बताएं.
इंट्रोगेटिव कर सकते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Say
Will he have been playing from morning?
he
Have been playing from morning.
very nice. Very nice.
Shall I not have been working from 2026?
Very nice.
I play football?
What will you have been doing for 2 years?
Yes. Yes.
You have been working for 2 years.
Why will they not have been working from 4 o'clock?
Okay. Very nice. So, can we start exercise worksheets? हम लोग worksheet
Yes, ma'am.
बनाएंगे क्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will read worksheet number 1?
Ma'am, Shruti.
Start.
Ma'am, Rishabh Raj.
First, one by one.
Worksheet 1. Read the sentences given below. Ruchi is quite fond of reading books. Every night she reads for at least 20 minutes before going to bed. At times, she narrates these stories to her younger sister. Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan is Ruchi's favorite book. However, these days she is reading Malgudi Days. The verb bold in the above sentence talk about the present.
What happened? Okay. Yes. I have not sent question answer of chapter 3. Okay, I will send it. Should I send it today itself?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then.
Is the simple present tense of the verb be. Be is used as I am, he slash he slash it is, we slash you slash they are. Look at the following table. Verbs expressing the present. Simple present verb plus SES. To talk about habits, routines, or actions that are done repeatedly. Example, Shruti goes for her judo classes every evening. Second, to talk about scientific or universal truth. Example, a plant needs air, water, and soil to grow. Third, to advise, request, and order imperative sentence. Example, she, a doctor at earliest, open the book and read the poem. Present continuous is an R plus ing form of the verb. First, to talk about an action going on at the time of speaking. Example,
Okay.
Shruti is going for her.
Let others also read, but I think before we start reading, we need to. Do we need explanation of this, or it's okay? Have I explained?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I need to explain
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is there? Ruchi is quite fond of reading books. Which type of sentence is this?
Present continuous.
Present continuous.
Present continuous tense.
No.
Present continuous.
No.
Simple present tense.
Simple present.
Ruchi,
Simple present.
Ruchi is fond of. Ruchi is fond. So it verb here is. Okay. Every night she reads.
Simple present tense.
Simple present. At times she narrates. She narrates these stories to her younger
Simple.
sister.
Simple
So
present.
narrates.
Simple present.
Simple present. Very good. After that, Ruchi's favorite book. Sorry, no. Here is reading. These days, however, she is reading Malgudi Days.
Present continuous.
Present
continuous.
Present continuous.
Very good, very good. The verb in bold and the above sentences talk about present, though in different forms. Forms are different, but they all were simple present. Sorry, they all were in present tense. And what is the form? Be is used. Be. Do you know what is called be verb?
Ma'am, repeat.
Do you know what is called be verb? Be verbs. Have you seen about? Have you heard about it?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you heard? Who has heard? What is be verb?
Ma'am, what?
What is be verb? Can anyone tell me what is be verb?
Debug.
Be verb किसको कहते हैं? Be verb. Are you people looking? दिख रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Is, are, am, was, were,